stuck with the CMI Trust Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we walk through the CMI Trust Library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the CMI Trust Library, the CMI Trust Verification Library. It manages the unmanaged localized validation of localized system component trust manifests, ensuring localized unmanaged integrity during localized setup. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as CMI Trust Library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the CMI Trust library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. A critical reminder, modifying CMI Trust Library DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overriding essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for CMI Trust Library. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for CMI Trust Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.